Good day, sir. My name is Naljem C. Susminya from Poblacion, Merida, Leyte. I am 24 years old. This is my midterm examination, JIC 9 Ethics. First question. Senator Bato de la Rosa put forth a bill that would have made plunder punishable by death to penalize corrupt public officials. Should the Philippines government permit this to become a law? I'll explain. I agree with the death penalty, especially with the case of corrupt officials stealing a lot of money from people. Because I know that stealing a lot of money is not a mistake, but it's a choice. In Leviticus 24:17, whoever takes a human life shall surely be put to death. Aside from the corrupt officials' death penalty, I also agree if some causes a great harm, they must face a serious consequence. In conclusion, murder takes a life, a plunder kills a hope, dreams from people and children. Second question. Should same-sex union be made legal in our nation so that the LGBT community can have the freedom to be whatever they choose to love? Justify your moral judgment on this matter. I believe that same-sex unions should not be made legal because they go against the natural order and design that God intended for human relationships. In Romans 1:26-27, the Bible clearly says, the men and women exchange natural relations for unnatural ones, and that such actions are shameful and result of turning away from a God. From a moral standpoint, marriage was created to be between a man and a woman, not just for love, but also for families and raising children. While every person deserves love, respect, legalizing same-sex unions may promote a life that contradict biblical techniques. As a nation with many people of faith, our laws should reflect moral values that help build strong families and uphold God's design for relationships. That's all, sir.